too busy granola. Today we are going to show you how to make Haven granola.
6 cups of oats, 1 cup of cashews. Check. 1 cup of sunflower seeds. Check.
Okay, so we are ready now for the wet ingredients. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
In fact, Morag and I will not be working for the rest of the day because we'll just be smelling the granola. Getting right into those corners.
We're going to put our timer on for 45 minutes, then we're going to turn it, and then another 45 minutes until it's beautiful and golden brown.
Tastes really good, but sure took a lot of time. I think that there's an easier way.
Here's our fabulous Haven Holiday Granola.
And get ready, this could take about 3 days. Cut.